digital marketing also we have different kinds of marketing, different methods through which we can do our marketing. So these topics we'll be discussing it in some specific fields which they are divided in. Like when we talk about a website, and if we talk about after that, content marketing or online marketing, these are some of the similar terms which are combined together and we create a website. Okay, so like where here you can see like everything is like about marketing, social media. Everyone has used it. Like most of them might be on social media. So when you go across Instagram, Facebook, you see ads. So what happens is Facebook charges them, the marketer, for ads, and the ads are shown to you. This is where a role of a digital marketer comes in, running that ads in a very uh, minimum costing. That's where you marketers play a role. Similarly, creating a website. Maximum of you might be from engineering background, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It,
Yeah, that. Yes, sir.
so these are some terms which I was talking about regarding marketing. These are basically all the things related to what we use online. So, talking about a website, we check out various websites for different works, like we check out Amazon for products. So that's one way where digital marketer comes in. Talking about forums, you might have gone through GitHub, no, Quora, and there are various other forums also through which we marketing is being done. Like if someone asks which is better, Uber or Ola, so there some people, some representatives of Uber or Ola would try to promote their services so that the person gets best service, person prefers them and not goes for the other the competitive brand. Okay. When we come with email marketing, talking about email marketing, you might there might be various spam mails coming to your emails. No, whenever you register for a for a website, they tell that we will be sending you promotional offers, and you accept it. After that, you start receiving one mail, two mail, like once in a day or twice in a week. So that's where email marketing plays role. Then we have social media, which you all might be aware about. Ads coming on social media, which you would have seen. But in this training, we'll be training you. I'll be training you also on how you can run your own ads. You can promote your own profile, your own businesses, like any business in your family or somewhere, if you have, or you can start taking clients and start earning for the same. After it, we have SEO. You might have not heard much about it, but SEO means search engine optimization. We have search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. What happens is whenever you search something, there are pages which come on page number one also, and there are pages which come on page number hundreds also. So how that difference is created in the ranking of pages, that is done through SEO. The better the SEO, the better the ranking of the page would be on that keyword. What are keywords? Keywords are supposed some particular word. Suppose if we talk about something like India, so we that India is a keyword. So any website which has a good SEO, which is ranked on the first number, that will come up whenever you search India. Okay. Uh, Atul, you wrote something like YouTube. In YouTube also that happens. That's right, exactly. That's not comes in SEO, but because that's not search engine optimization. There is social media optimization basically. So in YouTube we use keywords also. That's right. Like nowadays even YouTube is featuring hashtags. Like when we uh, open a video, above the video's title, it shows some particular hashtag. Hello. So what it basically does is, in case of YouTube, it features the video which have more number of previously it was about views, from where the views came, that does not matter from YouTube previously. But nowadays, what it does is feature more number of videos which have directly YouTube views. Not like suppose there is a person A, he shared the video's link via WhatsApp to person B. So the person B opened the video using the link which A had shared. So that's the external view. One view is when you search in YouTube and then you see the video. So nowadays, YouTube features the video on higher rank only those who have more of search view, like view which is coming via searching a video. And this algorithms always change. Like it keeps on changing. Like today something else in the algorithm. Sometimes we after sometimes the rules will change. Like monetization rules changes, how to put ads, what will be the criteria for that, everything changes. Then we come to blogs, blog marketing. Blog marketing is blog and content marketing are nearly the same. So blog marketing is basically you create a blog, you regularly post video articles, people come and read it. When you cross a particular count of your viewers, like how many viewers come on your blog, then you can apply for Google Ads, which pay you money for showing the ads similar to the way YouTubers get it from Google, YouTube, for showing ads on their video. So like you might have seen various YouTubers, no? So there they earn money through the ads which come on their video. And one thing which is left out is two things are left out. One is mobile marketing and second is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically many of you might have seen there are various YouTubers promote a product and they say you to use their links from the description to buy that product. So what basically happens is as soon as you click the link, the click has been analyzed. Like how many times the link has been clicked, how many times the product has been brought from that link. Like if you click a product, the link, you open it, you buy the product. As soon as you buy the product, there is one entry which is made to the link. So if you buy the product, the YouTuber gets a commission, which can be of any percentage depending on the company and the YouTuber, whatever they have made. So showcasing those products. So this is how you can how you can do that. Affiliate marketing is basically done with various e-commerce websites also. They have their own affiliate portal through which you can create your own Amazon link with your referral code, so that if someone even uses your code, if he even opens the link and buys that product, that amount which Amazon is planning to give on affiliating would be sent to you in your account. There are various people who earn via affiliate marketing also. So let's come to the main agenda of today, which will what all we'll be discussing basically. Uh, these topics will be discussed afterwards also, like on day wise. Today I'll be just telling you what is it, how it is done, what are the tools basic, what are the basic usage of this. So these are some like graphic designing, video editing, content writing, WordPress, social media optimization, marketing, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and affiliate marketing. Some there are various certifications which come for free also, and there are some which are very well known and they are paid. Like we have certification from Google, we have certification from Facebook, official certifications. Yes, Atul. Just not saw your message. Flipkart, Amazon affiliate marketing is something which various people even do it. You can see anybody, if anybody has any doubt or anything they have to write, they can write it directly in the chat. You have a conversation icon below, so you can use that to write your messages or questions. And feel free to ask your questions in the chat. So let's move the next slide. When we talk about graphic designing, all of you might have seen various posters coming up on Instagram for promotions. Various posters which come in your WhatsApp, like promoting some product or something similar. We have graphic designing which are used in newspaper articles. Graphic designing is used on Instagram, like various posts, no, which are like, general posts, like trolls have. There are trolls. They are also part of graphic designing itself. A logo to a full-fledged brochure or of a company or of a menu of a restaurant or a newspaper article advertisement. They all are part of graphic designing. So we have various tools in graphic designing, like we have Canva, Adobe. I hope you don't do it again. Otherwise, like I'll be removing you from the like I'll discuss with the main management team. I'll tell them this is something which has been done from the students. And do remember, we even get the logs. So if you again and again try to do that thing, then we will clearly let know who is doing it with the email ID and all the things. And we'll make sure, like we can restrict your ID from getting into classroom also. I hope the person does not want to like leave the training also. Talking about graphic designing, we were on graphic designing. So we have has anybody heard the name of Canva anywhere? If you have heard it, I'll take names one by one. So you can
Heard
raise
it
the
name.
hands. Okay. Uh, don't like unmute yourself. Just raise your hand. Okay. Anybody who has used Canva? Okay. That's it. So basically, you might have used for designing something.
Sir, logo
So
designing.
logo designing. Okay, that's great. So what we'll be talking about
Poster
is
designing.
basically okay, poster designing, logo designing, poster designing. Have you used for banners, social media posts? There are various ways. Has anybody tried to create their resume on Canva? You might be aware. See, that will be one of your tasks. I would prefer you create a uh, graphical and colorful resume on Canva because, see, in general, I'm talking. There are a lot of people who give an interview. Maximum of them have a black and white resume. If you take a different design, it comes into recognition directly because there is a different thing which is coming in. Like if you have hundreds of white balls and you get there is a single black ball in it, you will be able to recognize it no very easily that there is a black ball separate. That's what I'm talking. Like I would prefer that I'll let you know how to create it on Canva, how to create a resume, how to create posters, what are the tools which we are available with in Canva. I guess this topic would be covered regarding Canva. We'll be discussing it tomorrow and we'll be working on it. So I want all of you to create your accounts on Canva so that tomorrow when we'll be doing the work, we'll be doing a hands-on work. That time you will be getting the view of the UI user interface of the Canva's website on your laptop itself. Okay.
Sir,
Uh,
can we use mobile Canva application?
Okay, don't you have a laptop? Like generally, I'm asking.
Sir, sir, I have, but I am using the Canva mobile application also.
See, basically, see, you are using mobile application. That's good. That's not a problem. But in one case, you can use mobile application. But further after, like when we go for Photoshop or CorelDRAW, you will be required to use laptop because that are the main tools after designing for the designing. Okay. Uh, how
Okay,
many
sir.
of you don't have a laptop basically? Can you just raise your hands once so that we can get a brief like how many of you don't have a laptop and all? And whichever software I mentioned, do get it installed. If you have some problem getting the link of the software, like officially buying that software would be very expensive. If you want the link of the software, then you can just ping me on in the group, WhatsApp group which we have created. I'll try to share the link of the software from where you can download it as soon as possible. Okay. Uh, So Canva is one of the most basic things. One more tool which is there in replacement of Canva, which is by Adobe, is Spark, on which also you can design different kind of templates and posters. Both act as the same, but there are some benefits in both on their own way. Canva gives you some service of it at free. It has a paid version also, but like maximum part of ours will be done in the free version itself. Okay. So where does graphic talking about Adobe Photoshop? Photoshop is used various places, like starting from editing a photo to creating a logo, playing with like images, like creating templates. You can even create like whenever in companies when they go for a website client where a client wants a website, then the client tells you to design a basic UI of the website template. So that templates are designed by Photoshop itself. So you can even design your template through Photoshop, and you can like before getting a confirmation of like what the website the client needs. CorelDRAW, talking about CorelDRAW, CorelDRAW is used for poster designing, banner designing. It is CorelDRAW and InDesign. Like you can see InDesign, which is on the first topmost row in the second column. They are used for designing of posters, templates, and various things. It all starting from a normal Facebook poster, social media poster, to a banner or what I say a holding, which we see no in our cities, like various places, the advertisement holdings. We can design everything in CorelDRAW. It's just about what size they need and what size thus accordingly we make in that size. Any doubt till now? You can like if anybody has a doubt, they can just raise their hand.
Please
So how
post the
can
link of
you?
all the softwares.
Definitely, I'll try to share you link, or I'll share you a link and I'll upload the software each day of the next day or next day, whatever would be possible. So
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
be basically using four softwares in our whole training, which you will require to install. Wait, yeah, four. One is Photoshop, second is CorelDRAW, third is Filmora. Okay. So Photoshop, CorelDRAW, they are for graphic designing, whereas Filmora is a video editing software. It is a very basic software through which you can edit your videos, starting from cropping, splitting a video, trimming a video, to combining images to create a video, adding music, adding animations. That's a very easy tool. You can even learn it, and you can create like there are various people who just upload videos by creating the video from images and they upload it on YouTube and they are even famous. Their channels are famous and they are earning a good amount. That's what even you can do. Okay. So how does graphic designing get you money? every company which do the social media part, marketing firm or which provides digital marketing as their uh, service, they need a graphic design, because nowhere without a graphic designer you can promote anything. You talk about a social media. If you see just a textual part, you will not even read it. But when you see a graphical part, and if it looks very good, which has a good design, you definitely prefer reading it once. That would be a general concept, general thinking which comes in our mind. That if it has the graphics will look, oh, the graphic looks good. If it's even normal, then to once your eyes would go upon it, like what is it about and all the details. So you in this field you can take on freelancing projects, you can talk to some agencies, give them the design separately, and they will pay you a good amount for that. You can talk with restaurants, cafes around you. They would be requiring graphic design, because see, in current situation everyone is shifting online. Everyone wants to promote their businesses online. The basic thing which comes up is like currently restaurants and cafes, they are the most uh, important people who are promoting their business online, because they know that they will be getting it from online only, otherwise it's not possible. So in that case you can even contact them and get them a design. Once we are done with Canva, you will get a good idea about it. Then you can go to them and you can discuss someone with whom you know, and for designing and all. Any doubt till now? Yes, Anupam. Any doubt?
So can we get the recording of this session?
See, that I'll have to confirm once. The recording is being done, but I'll just let you confirm it and I'll let you know by tomorrow in the group. And if it will be allowed, then definitely I'll share with you.
Sir, this PPT can't we get on the WhatsApp group?
PPT, I'll have to that I'll have to like I'll have to definitely talk to the senior people, because PPT is something which I don't know whether they will allow it or not. But definitely, I'll try to get you some content for your later preferences and getting a view of what all is there. I'll
Sir,
be
may
sharing
I
you
ask
day
one
wise. Yeah.
Sir, may I ask you one question also?
Yes.
Sir, you run digital marketing, sir, offline classes also.
Basically, I don't run any offline classes. Uh, I am a mentor for a college, lead for digital marketing. So I train students here also in the college. Uh,
Sir,
Otherwise,
and
I
outside
have been working.
students.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, for the outsider students.
Basically, I have not done till, I'm not taken in class for outsiders. Basically, I've taken online classes for my known people or some of my clients. So, like, I've been working in digital marketing from like when I was in final year, and it's like around 3 to 4 years till from when I'm working in digital marketing itself. And freelancing, I have around, to be frank, I have around 34, 35 clients currently. So there are various different, like I'm getting you knowledge about everything, and you if you have any doubt, like are you asking like if I teach outside in a negative way or positive way, basically?
Sir, positive way, sir.
No, like see, sometimes people have some kind of like a, they are not able to understand it, so they even ask it. So
No, no, sir. Sir,
that's
actually, I was asking because this is the basic part. Then if we have to continue further in digital marketing, so sir,
see,
from where which sources we would follow?
see, I'll be sharing you certificate links, and even I would be preferring that we complete two of the certificates in the 15 days tenure, the free certificates by Google, and one by Google and one by SM Study. They are basics of digital marketing. After that, I'll be teaching you all the software, at least so that you can design something for your client and you can start getting some clients. How you have to like at least see, you might be having someone or the other in your known who might be having a business or something relatedly, or someone known who might be requiring it, but they are not knowing that you are there. You know it. So you can start with that. You can start your own pages on your cities or some specific genres, and you can start. See, there are various pages like are there photographers in the group? like currently in attendees who have a hobby of photographer, like clicking photos, or who have hobbies of writing. So where come this comes to your you can boost your profile via marketing and regarding learning new things. Okay,
Okay, sir.
one second. No? Yogi sir. Yeah. So see, we are in the group, no. So if you need any guidance, you can just write it up and we'll discuss on no issue in that.
Sir,
Okay.
I am not in WhatsApp group.
I think you might have got a link from the university people because like just now it was created just when the trading started. So are you available on WhatsApp or not? Actually, first thing.
Sir, in the mail or sir in this application?
I guess it should be on the mail.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you just
Okay.
have a look. Otherwise, if you have any problem, we can check out on that tomorrow. So see, I'll be available in group always. So we can like if you have any doubts and guidance, we can talk on that. That's not an issue. Okay, in the group also.
Sir, we can ask even small points also, no, because we are new in this field.
Yes, definitely,
Totally.
definitely. See, you will be coming up with various doubts.
Yes, sir.
When I started, I did not started with a training or something. I learned everything via my practical, doing it practically. So I will be telling you all the things which I have faced. I'll be letting you. I'll not like directly telling, but I'll be at least trying to fix up that you guys don't face that issue, and you get a good knowledge about it. Like you get a brief, and I would prefer you try it hands-on, like along with like after the workshop you practice it, the tools, or you check it out properly because if you'll practice simultaneously then you'll be getting a proper knowledge because if it's a hands-on workshop it's always about like practicing it side by side or completing the work on the same day so that you have a practical knowledge. Any other doubt if anybody has? Shubham?
Sir, on the freelancing websites, we need to pay to boost our profiles to getting clients, sir.
See, we'll talk about freelancing websites in the end. Let's talk about what are the skills we can do at freelancing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll definitely talk about it also in the end. Like day 15 would be for freelancing. You might have been shared with some the syllabus of the curriculum of the whole workshop. No, that. Anjuman or Ashi. I'm sorry if I'm getting a wrong name wrong. Any doubt? Hello. Uh, Anupam, any doubt? See, whoever's doubts are getting cleared, kindly unraise your hand. And if there is no one asking, the person who has a doubt, they can ask directly.
Sir, one more doubt is there. My friend Mayank Minkal is from SIRT, but he's not got any mail. So how he can join the session?
See, in that case, I don't know because like the university people had given us the email IDs and the details. So they had selected on some particular basis the names of the students who will be attending the workshop. So that you will have the person has will have to figure out from the university people, the RGPV, I guess, no, your university from them.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So you will
Yes, sir.
the person will have to
Okay,
discuss with
thank
the
you.
university. Yeah. Ryan and Satvik, any doubt? Okay, Sunny, do you have any doubt? Anybody else has any doubt? They can just turn their mic on and they can ask their doubt or else let's proceed further. Okay. So next part which comes in after graphic designing is video editing. So where all video editing is being used? Video editing is used by a photographer for editing event videos to YouTube video creation, content creations, even for promotional videos. Like in general, I'm talking about what rates people get paid in starting. For a promotional video of 1 minute, you can get at least 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. Okay, and how to do that? That will definitely will be discussing it like according to our schedule. What are the tools that which are there? Is like we'll be working on Adobe Film, Wondershare Filmora. We have various other tools also for very high. Like see, other tools basically like if there's anybody with a MacBook, they might be having iMovie. I guess it has a limited features free. We have other tools like Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, which basically are like Adobe Premiere is and Sony Vegas, which are same kind of software but from different companies. They are basically very expensive editing software. Like if you want to create very effective video, like with lots of animation filled up, in that case we use Adobe Premiere. Otherwise, Filmora does maximum of our work, starting from creating video from images. Like various of you might have seen YouTube videos where people just add on images in the video, combine the images and create a video. They don't even say anything, they just add up images. Like there are videos like top 15 places, top 10 people, like talking about a life of a YouTuber, what some personality. There are various videos which come with just the similar format where they just add the image, they add a slide, and a sound is running in the background. That all things we can do via Filmora. Okay. You can do editing of videos also in Filmora. You can do cropping, trimming, splitting of videos, and there are various other functionalities which we'll be discussing in the upcoming classes also. So where is Filmora like video editing is used? Like we use it on YouTube, use it on Facebook video creation, content creations. We use it various other places like wherever there are video ads. We are trying to promote, or we maximum of you, many of you might have created videos for your friends on birthdays. That is also a part of video editing which you have already been doing. In graphic designing also, you might have been creating collages for your friends on birthdays or some events for anyone. It can be like for some particular day, special day or something. That all comes as graphic designing. Creating a poster, creating a collage, that is basics of graphic design, but they are part of graphic designing. So these are some things which you have been doing in your regular life. It's just about exploring more functionalities into it, how you can do some other functionalities and create a video better view, have a better view. Okay. Ryan, do you have a doubt? You have raised them from a couple of minutes. Ryan and also Krishna Mohan. See, if that's something problem, like if you're not able to speak up, you can just type in the chat. If you're in doubt, I'll just clear that doubt also simultaneously. So after video editing, what comes in role, like in graphic designing? If I talk about what you can charge someone, graphic designers charge from 300 rupees to start, 200 to 300 rupees to start, till you can earn like thousands of rupees. For logos, people charge 3,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 1,500, 1,000. For general posters, basic posters, people charge 200, 300, even 500, 1,000, 1,500. So there are various graphic designers who earn just by graphic designing. It's just about getting like a client. See, if you get a restaurant, they might be requiring graphics every month they might be getting 10 graphics, so you can see how much you can earn. Why with digital marketing, basic benefit which you have is that you can start earning money alongside your education, which can act as your pocket money or as an extra money which you are getting, so that you can use it for your luxury or some proper use also, because for like something you are planning to buy, you can get a support in that also. Okay. uh, Similarly, video editing also, it's like start from 800 to 1000 for a 1 minute promotional video. Otherwise, it's like up to you. If you plan to create some videos, you can create videos on various content. That can be on some softwares, creating videos for YouTube, Facebook. Some of the people create videos for gaming videos, like talking about, there are various gamers, like we have Mortal for PUBG, we have Carrie Minati, who started his career as a gamer, and now he has started as a who's roasting also. He roasting and gaming both, and you might be aware about him also. So after video editing, we come to content writing. Are there any people who write poems or some kind of content like blogs, who write to like blogs? If you are some of them, then you content writing is one thing where you can start earning if you're interested in writing. So what is content writing basically? It starts from writing content for an Instagram post to writing articles for newspapers or some guest bloggings, press releases, uh, content for like when we see to each point which is there in it, we start from content marketing. Content marketing means when a company creates a website, various companies try to get content writers who get their content properly created, so that their website looks good. And what do people charge the content writers charge? They charge 1 rupee, starting from 80 paisa to 1 rupees, to it can be 3 rupees, 4 rupees per word they charge. So if you have a 1,000 rupees content, 1,000 words content, you would get 1,000 rupees, depending on the charge you play accordingly. Otherwise, then we come to blogging. There are various blogs which showcase content. The blogs earn money by showing Google ads or promoting some local shops or local businesses by showing their ads separately, or posting some particular content on that event or something. Okay. Uh, See, how does a blogger get a benefit? Leaving apart getting paid, various time bloggers also are being called for various events. Like you get invites for events, you get you get passes for concerts if you have good following, and various other methods via which you can earn. Okay. So after that, which what comes is guest blogging, means like blogging on someone else's blog, so that your profile can boost up. Suppose like if there is a blog who is getting 1,000 views a day or an hour, you would prefer to blog on that and get some views on your own profile, so that the person afterwards reads from your own blog. That's known as guest blogging. We have copywriting. Copywriting means not to write the same content as someone else's website. We copy the content, but we just change their format of writing, the method of writing, the way of writing pattern, so that it does not come into plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism check is a tool which checks whether there is any content which is similar to the content which we have written, and gives you a proper view of that. After that, when we talk about fresh, we talk about newsletters, press releases. Press releases and newsletters are, if you might have heard, various newspapers have some articles from some guest writers. Like Dainik Bhaskar has some articles from their guest writer on some weekly issues and all. That's where content writers can also get a benefit. They get paid for that also. And the last one is content for social websites. Like when you post a poster photo, you search for some caption, no, online on Google or somewhere, so that you can get a perfect caption as per your photo. So there are writers who write content for some pages, for pages, and they earn money like per caption. They charge some good amount and they earn it. So this is all about content writing. Any doubt in it?
So how can we promote ourselves for the content writing, like to any particular organization or committee or something?
See, basically, you have to get your own writing skills. You have to showcase first it online. When you get a good view and the person thinks, no, this person is writing good content, and they have a good number of followings, then various times they self contact you directly. Otherwise, see, everything is about wait and watch. Like if you are not getting a client, you have to approach clients also. Like, sir, I am a content writer. I have written this is content. You can have a view of my content. Like you have to find those in various Facebook groups. They come. There might be some people in your known of your family members who might be requiring a website development or a content writer. So you have to connect through that. Otherwise, there are various companies who open postings. Like if that's a graphic design, they open posting specifically for graphic designer. For video editing, there's a different posting. They are posting for content writers also. Similarly, they're posting for every field of digital marketing. There is a different posting mostly available in a company. Because every field has a lot of scope and a lot of work going on as of now. Because of the COVID-19 situation, as all the businesses are like were off, no, were closed. Uh, Not exactly closed, but like they were on curfew like situation. So that's why. So all the businesses are coming online. So you can get the best benefit by learning it and simultaneously trying out people whom you think they might be requiring it. Okay. Any other doubt? So, if anybody has any doubt, they can just like let me know. So, how many have you, or how many of you have heard about WordPress? Kindly raise your hands, like if you have heard about WordPress. What is WordPress or something like that? What is it used for? Any idea? Okay, Adarsh, Aman.
Generally used for blog writing websites.
Okay. Can I just know your name? Who just gave me the
Kushal Malik.
who? Kushal.
We can also use WordPress for the website making, like we can make the website by WordPress.
Yeah. So see, talking about WordPress, in WordPress you can make a resume website starting from a V-card like a resume website to a full-fledged e-commerce platform also, just on WordPress. Okay. So what is exactly WordPress? WordPress is a CMS. CMS means a content management system. And why are we discussing WordPress in digital marketing basically? Because WordPress makes your website creation very easy. You need not know proper coding or like proper how to code and how to edit and everything. It has a something user interface similar to how we have a Word, Microsoft Word user interface or Notepad interface. So it's like drag and drop. Click on it, edit the word, and it will get updated, and it will get updated on the website also. In WordPress, talking about where WordPress is, like 34% of the current websites all over the world are based on WordPress, which includes websites of Beyonce, Microsoft's Help, Sony Music, Star Wars Blog, and various other websites also. So this is where WordPress plays a very important role in today's marketing world. Be- why does it play? Like if you have seen, there's a diagram on the right side of the PPT, where in the topmost, bottommost there are SEO is written. So that SEO is written there because it has a very easy doing SEO in WordPress is very easy as compared to doing SEO in other websites. So basically, if someone creates a website, the main thing which he'll thinking is like whenever someone searches on Google for my website, it comes on a high ranking. So when WordPress gives you the best SEO technique, so obviously the person would prefer WordPress over something else. So that's what happening. Uh, have you heard about open source? Has anybody heard about like unraise yourself, all of you, and then let's have a brief thing. Like, has anybody heard about what is open source? Any knowledge of what is open source?
Yes, sir. Anything which is available freely to edit the codes.
See, open source does not exactly mean that. Open source means basically any software whose code is available to us, which we can use, edit, and we can, if we have rights, we can even sell that as a product, the edited content. Okay. Open source
Yes, sir.
means like in WordPress case, it's a open source product. It is not by any company in particular. It is a product which is run by a community. You have very good WordPress community, online community, where if you put a question like you are facing some issue, you put a question and you get your answers. uh, See, maximum of your cities might be having a WordPress meetup. Try to find out the nearest meetup to your in your city or around your city and join it, and you will get a good knowledge of it. Like they have regular events talking about how what has WordPress become, how what are the new tools coming up, hands-on experience and various things. Okay. Maximum projects which we get for website development are in WordPress because what the reason is that people want website to develop as soon as possible, and WordPress gives you that benefit of creating a website very soon, very simply and very easily. Okay, so in WordPress, what software you will be requiring is XAMPP, which is server creation software. Like we can make a system as a server in that software. And the second software is our we will be requiring the WordPress file. You will be required to download via WordPress.org. It's a 27 MB file, whereas XAMPP is a 100 MB software. Talking about Filmora, it's a 270 to 300 MB software, and other are like about 1 GB. But I'll try to share with you the software also. Any doubts till now? So see, what's the benefit of WordPress? WordPress already has an admin panel from where you can manage first of all. Second thing, security benefit is there in WordPress. WordPress has its own security features. It has its own plugins which create security parameters, and it's way much better the admin panel for security part. SEO we have discussed, like search engine optimization. It's easy to be done on WordPress. What are themes? Many of you, like all of you, might have seen different phones having different user interface of their home. That's basically because of the themes which the phone companies installed on their mobile. Similarly, for a good UI user interface of the website, you have themes in WordPress. What are basically plugins? You if you like someone is playing PUBG, he will install the PUBG plugin, no? So what is it? It's a basically a separate file, separate design software which he has installed in his phone for fulfilling his wishes. Okay. Similarly, WordPress has plugins like if you want to put a contact form on the website, you have tens of plugins through which you can put the contact form. There are around 10,000 plus WordPress themes already available. Some are paid, some are free. Why? And we're talking about plugins. There are more than 40,000 plugins already in the market. There are various free, various are paid. And one more thing which is important is like I mentioned for Canva, you have to create your resume, via Canva in the end. So similarly, via WordPress, I shared with you a link of some themes which we can use, which I have in my subscription of a particular website which sells themes. so that you can create your resume. How many of you have seen some resume websites? Like a website which showcase all your skills, your portfolio, and everything, the projects which you have done. Okay, so I would like that you guys also get your websites like that. So we'll also work on that part, and like if I'll share you some theme links. If you like the theme links, I'll share you also a folder, drive folder where I'll upload the themes, and you can download it directly via there from there. Okay. Okay. So any doubt till now in WordPress?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, if you have any doubt, feel free to free first of all. Because see, someone else might be having the same doubt and he might not be able to ask.
So some of the editing tools are paid.
Yes, there are various like maximum editing tools are paid. See, everything. None of the companies who have good softwares they will be giving it for free. So in that case, what I can do is like I can find some crack files of the paid softwares, and we can work on them as of now. If you guys are okay with it, because see, talking about CorelDRAW, it's around 17 or 41,000 per month per year. Okay, when we talk about Photoshop, it's also around the same. Canva already has a paid version, Filmora is of $60, 55 or $60 around. So currently, you can work on the crack software. I'll share with you the crack links. I'll find some and share with you so that you get a good knowledge about it.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Thank you.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
No, if like just be free to ask your doubts because in the end the training is workshop is so that you can learn something good and with your every doubt cleared already. Okay. Uh, how many like many of you might have used social media optimization? Social media you would have seen. Does anybody has a page in the hand, like a social media page which they manage? Like many of the students, what they do is they start a page on their city, they start a page on trolls, they start pages on their colleges itself, or some other college or something similar. Does anybody have any page or something which they manage? You can just raise your hand if you have it. Okay, Shubham, what page do you manage exactly?
Sir, we have a group of 4 people. We had a page like Memers Hunt on Instagram.
What was the name?
Sir, Memesh Hunt.
Okay. So what was it based on basically?
Sir, all memes, sir.
Memes, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's great. So, so talking about okay, Harshvardhan, what kind of page do you have?
Sir, I have a photography page, sir.
Okay, that's great. Um, so here talking about social SMO, which is like we are seeing no SMO and SME, SMM. So SMO is basically social media optimization, and second SMM is social media marketing. So what happens in optimization is we use hashtags. Most of you might have used hashtags. Basically, one more thing I would like to tell you: if you have a private profile and if you are using hashtags, that is of no use. Hashtags are only of use when you have a public profile. Do remember that. Okay. So adding hashtags on a private profile would be of literally no use because when the person can't see that post, then that hashtag is of no use. And after that, we have optimization what by sharing posts. You might have seen that various people tell just share this post in 4 groups and then I will help you. So that's one part of sharing where he's getting his post shared by some other people in some other groups so that Facebook does not put a ban, and along with that he gets his promotion without paying anything to anyone. Okay. Similarly, we have social media marketing in which we do marketing, like we run ads. I'll give you a brief. I'll give you good. We'll have a good discussion about how to do marketing, how is it done, from where are the platforms which we can do, how to reduce the cost of the marketing pricing. Okay. Uh, in marketing, see, general, I'm not trying to tell about myself. In general, I'm talking. Uh, I have seen people paying 19 INR for just 1,000 reach. In even I have seen, I have done like myself. I have done marketing with 2 rupees per 1,000 reach for companies. So I'll try to get you to that 2 rupees point so that you get it for a minimum to minimum pricing. In marketing, you can earn amount in a good way. You just discuss with the restaurants and cafes because they need the marketing in the basic place. Okay. Any doubt?
Sir,
Yes. 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 Yeah. Someone was saying something. You can please like speak up. Sure then. Do you have doubt?
hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Please. Yes.
Sir, is there any criteria to grow our page?
See, regarding growing your page, basically, if you have like your photography page, no, if I'm not wrong, just like you mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can use hashtags. You can ask your friends to promote it. You can connect to pages so that they post your photos. This is part of social
Yes,
media
sir.
optimization. Talking about
Yes, sir.
marketing, you can promote it within according to wherever this post might go viral or wherever you prefer the preferred audience. Like if you have clicked the photo from Indore, taking an example, then you
Okay.
can promote it in Indore so that the Indore people come to know about your profile.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other
Yes,
doubts?
sir. No, sir.
Someone else? Any doubt?
Sir, what's the
No,
difference
sir.
between optimization and marketing?
So see, what's optimization marketing? Marketing you have to pay. You pay Facebook so that they can show your post or advertisement in Facebook profile. Okay. So this
Sir,
way, that's the basic difference. Like in optimization, you see the post automatically. Like when you go for a search in Instagram, no, you have your various posts coming up, like which show up in the Instagram search feed without searching anything. So that's done by our optimization. Whereas when you go through your wall, Instagram, and you see various ads which are coming, they are like post people whom you are not followed, but their post comes because they have promoted it. You like a sponsored word is used there. That's marketing basically. Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
So we'll be discussing about like different platforms where we can do marketing and all. Like starting from Facebook, also we'll be discussing about Facebook Insights, Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter, LinkedIn. How you can make your LinkedIn the best, to a good, how to make your LinkedIn ready properly. Because most of the cases, students face issue with their LinkedIn, whereas LinkedIn gets a very good job.
So does SMO means promoting our page to the social media platform?
Yes, that's basically that only. Like you can promote your page, you promote some of your products. It's up to you. So it's in all, it's just about promoting marketing via paying to the social media platform and selecting your own people intake. Which people you want to use, which people you want to show. You have all that right. Which age group, which city, which people, which interest. So let's go to the next topic. Similarly, there is a difference between search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Uh, when you search something on Google, you see websites which come without a ADV. You see websites which have a ADV tag, no? ADV written before their website link in yellowish color. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
basically what it shows, that the person has promoted his website on that keyword using search engine marketing, like promoting it via Google Ads, showing that video on whenever someone searches the video, the post of that promotion post would come on the top. That's marketing. Whereas optimization means you are using keywords, you are making people come on your website, increasing the reach of the website, so that automatically the website slowly comes to the top of the position or some good rank. So we can see the difference here, where SEO is organic, whereas SEM is paid, which I mentioned. SEO is lasting effect, means once you are doing SEO properly, the website ranking will remain till time there is till time you don't break your SEO rules and you don't remove the SEO part. Whereas SEM is an immediate effect, means as soon as you pay, see, it's a general thing. If there is some person who you have asked him to do a work for you, if you don't pay him, he would take time to do it. Whereas if you pay him, he'll get you done it in within minutes. Definitely, that's a general process which runs. Similarly, if you pay a social media or a Google to promote your website, it will show your website on the top till the time you are paying them. Not They will not show it after that on advertisements. That's a different case. If via SEO and SEM you get it to a top in the meanwhile, that's a different case. Otherwise, see, and what happens in marketing, people are not coming via they know you. They are coming via they because they have seen your ad only. That means that's basically more of a sales and a lead focus method. Whereas in SEO, it's all about improving brand loyalty and trust. Suppose the person has come on your website for the first time, he looks at the website, he finds it good, then he will come again. So that's what comes in SEO. What does both do? They basically drive traffic. Like driving traffic means like brings people to our website. The informing strategy means like creating a strategy on how to execute it, how to work on it, would be the further step on it. Any doubt in it?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about the next slide.
What is actually organic mean here?
Organic means you're not paying someone. Your website is getting views by using the correct keywords, by doing a SEO, means like search engine optimization, means like using, suppose if you create an article on some particular topic like corona, so you will be, if you use the word corona more of the times in your article, then that would get promoted more as compared to just using it for the heading.
Okay.
So in
So
this
right
case,
now,
promotion, yes.
right now we said that we pay the social media, right? In SEOs for our content.
No, can you just repeat your question once?
So what do you mean by organic here in SEOs? Right now, because you said that we are paying social media
Yeah.
in SEOs.
No, in this we are talking about search engine basically.
Okay.
Search engine means Google, Bing, YouTube is a part of both search engine as a search engine, like video search engine, and also as a social media. Then we can talk about Bing, it's Google. Then we have Yahoo. So what happens is like when we search for some particular word, organic reach means people are coming on that website without being paid or without being shown ad. So like
Okay.
if you are sharing your website, some people in the group, so people are coming directly on that website. No, that's where search engine comes in.
Okay.
Optimization comes in.
Oh,
So
okay.
so now let's talk about affiliate marketing. I guess that we have two more topics currently to discuss in the same. then we can have some doubts which you guys might not be able to clear before. What is basically affiliate marketing is, when we come to the first thing, the first thing which is on the top, affiliate puts your ad on their website. Means, suppose there is an e-commerce website XYZ, there is a product which the person wants you to sell it via your website. So what is happening? You are putting ad of that product on your website. Then what happens? Second step, customer clicks and converts. Means customer clicks on an ad and it gets converted. Then that conversion run track, as I mentioned before, and you get a commission. Like in Amazon, you get starting from 1% to 15%, 10%. On other websites like for hostings, and there are various websites which give you commission on that. So this is how affiliate works. This is one method of earning money, and various people earn it at a very good amount. End out. So I'll share with you this image also, image of this PPT. So talking about certifications, these are some of the certifications which are free, and some of them which are paid, and paid ones are also well known. I shared with you this list in the group also, so that like you can. What are the two certificates which we are basically focusing, which we'll be planning to complete in the 15 days? One is Digital Garage by Google, and second one is Digital Marketing Associate by SM Study. So you can start these courses on your own. If you have any doubt, you can just ping me in the group, or we can in the doubt clearing time which we'll be having. Okay. So we have courses on YouTube which are free. We have courses on Twitter. For talking about the paid courses, Facebook Blueprint certification, the certification has a costing, but you have the content available for free for reading, learning it. So you can learn Facebook and Instagram marketing also via it also. Any questions?
Sir, if anyone completed the Digital Garage and Analytic course, then अब कौन से कोर्स सर ज्वाइन करना चाहिए?
See, after that, like if Hindi में अगर बोलूँ मैं, everyone is okay with Hindi also?
Yes sir, I am okay with Hindi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay with
So see,
sure,
एक बार डिजिटल गैरेज और मार्केटिंग का एसोसिएट करके ये बेसिक कोर्सेज है सोशल मीडिया के, मार्केटिंग के. इसके बाद हर कंपनी का अपना खुद का सॉफ्टवेयर कोर्सेज होते हैं. तो इसलिए मैंने खाली 2 कोर्स नहीं लिस्ट किए, मैंने 5-6 कोर्सेज और है जो फ्री में अवेलेबल, वो भी लिस्ट किए. जैसे तुम लोग एक एक करके कोर्स करते रहो, तुम्हें अलग अलग सॉफ्टवेयर की नॉलेज मिले. जैसे देखिए, सबसे पहले आया अपना डिजिटल गैरेज यानी बेसिक हुआ. फिर एनालिटिक्स पे, तो एनालिटिक्स जो गूगल एनालिटिक्स करके एक सॉफ्टवेयर है गूगल का, उसको कैसे यूज करते हैं, उसको कैसे स्टडी कर सकते हैं, वो सब
हाँ
होता है.
सर, वो बिगिनर लेवल वो भी कर लिया है. लाइक डिजिटल गैरेज बाय गूगल एंड एनालिटिक कोर्स बाय गूगल, ये दोनों कंप्लीट हैं. अब कौन सा सर थर्ड करना चाहिए? सजेशंस आप दे सकें.
स्टार्ट विद डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एसोसिएट ऑल्सो. ठीक है. एंड एक चीज ध्यान रखना, कोर्सेज करना, they will give you a complete. Moreover, try to practice that things and practice those things also. Because अगर प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करोगे तो तुम्हारा कोर्स करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं होगा. एक सिंपल सी बात बता रहा हूँ कि जब तक यू डोंट हैव हैंड्स ऑन इट, तुम भूल जाओगे वो चीज. अगर मैं 3 साल पहले मैंने कोई कोर्स किया होता, अगर मैं उस पर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करता, या 4 साल पहले 3 साल पहले जब मैंने शुरू किया था, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं वो चीज भूल गया होता. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए. मार्केटिंग में आई नो पैसा लगाना पड़ता है, तो उसके इसमें तुम मार्केटिंग, लेकिन तुम्हें आइडिया होना चाहिए क्या कैसे होता है, कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं. बाकी चीजें जैसे एनालिटिक्स का तुम लोग देख सकते हो यूट्यूब पे. कोई अगर वीडियो है तो यूट्यूब के सर्टिफिकेशन है उनके, आप अलग यूट्यूब एकेडमी करके होती है. ओके. और फिर इसमें बता दो OMCA जो है राइट साइड में, ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग सर्टिफाइड एसोसिएट, इसका भी कोर्सेज में अवेलेबल है. गूगल के थ्रू सर्टिफिकेट है. Udacity वाला इज अ पेड वन, कंटेंट मार्केटिंग वाला भी पेड है. बाकी इन सब बहुत सारे कोर्स की तो कुछ लिमिटेड कोर्सेज जो मैंने लिस्ट किए. देयर आर वेरियस अदर कोर्सेज व्हिच आर अवेलेबल. यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस देखो, यूट्यूब पे मिलियंस ऑफ वीडियोस है जो कि इसके ऊपर है. Any other doubt?
Can you provide
Sir?
the links of these courses?
Definitely, I'll share the list of the courses with the links also. I'll try to share. I'll share you by today evening. You guys will by like today
Okay, thank
evening
you,
or
sir.
latest by tomorrow morning.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir.
So your
Hello, sir.
one of any doubt?
सर मैं मयंक मिंकल बोल रहा हूँ सर.
Yes, please. Yes, sir.
हेलो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can speak up.
सर मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सर मैं इसके लिए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के लिए समर ट्रेनिंग के लिए मैंने फॉर्म फिल किया था, लेकिन मुझे कोई मैसेज नहीं मिला और ना ही कोई मेल आया है सर.
Mayank, how come you are joining the training? I am little bit like you. Someone shared you the link?
यस सर.
Okay. See, Mayank, like I mentioned, your friend had asked me also in the starting. This who has been selected, who has not been selected, is not been done by us. It is done from the university end. They have shared us the list, which the people whose name we had got. Accordingly, we had mailed them the link. So I would prefer you connect with them like today, if possible today, or by tomorrow morning.
ओके सर.
Okay. Any
Sir?
other doubts? Yes.
Sir, sir,
Aman,
where we can do the practice about digital marketing?
see, talking about graphic designing, you can try your own graphics. We talk
No,
about
sir,
social
digital
media.
marketing. Digital marketing.
See, digital marketing is a very big field. Which particular things are you talking about? Are you talking about social media?
Sir, basically, I have a small foundation certificate of digital marketing, so I have to practice on them. So where I can start it from?
Till now, I am like I mentioned previously. Also, there are different fields in digital marketing. Which field are you planning to practice? Basically, the foundation certificate just gets you a view of what is digital marketing, how we do it, what are the steps which are there. Then we have different platforms on which we can try it out. So, which platform are you looking at, basically? Are you looking for Facebook?
Yes, sir. I just want to promote my page by use of digital marketing. So hi.
Definitely. So see, when we'll go through the curriculum like day wise, I'll be even talking about social media optimization also, and along with that, I'll even be telling you about like I would prefer if you guys create some pages of your own for different genres and everything, whichever you are interested. Because see, how you get clients for digital marketing, if you have a page, if it's running good, people can directly contact you. Okay, you are you provide these services, so that you can contact. Then talking about your case, like you asking about how we can practice it, create the page of your company or NGO, which like the NGO which you mentioned. Try to share their post in groups, Facebook groups, or take help of your friends to share Instagram stories, so that your page gets boost. So you have to directly do it
Okay, sir.
hands-on on the platform itself, because every platform has its own benefits and like own methods, you know.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? So yes, is there any other doubt? Satwik, I guess you
No,
were
sir.
about to ask something, I guess. So you turned your mic on.
No, sir.
Okay. Harshvardhan, any doubt?
No, sir.
Kushal,
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
No, sir.
Okay. If you have any other doubt or you want some guidance anytime, otherwise, like if I'm like sometimes we get busy. So in group, if you want, in group we are not able to reply because we have something other thing goes running. You can just drop me an email or you can contact me on my LinkedIn or Instagram anywhere, and you can connect me on LinkedIn also, and you can just drop me a message. I'll definitely clear your doubts. Any other thing which I'll just share the software links, or I'll try to share it by tomorrow afternoon. From your side, what I need tomorrow is I need everyone should have their Canva account created. Okay, because from tomorrow we'll be working on hands-on on Canva. That would be completely. I would like. I'll be like it will be 1 day, 2 hours training on Canva. I'll try to make you so much acquainted with Canva, sorry, where you can create your own graphics, and you are able, if there's a photographer, he can create the way he presents it. General thing I want to ask: have you seen photos which have their names written? Like there's a photo of a view. There is a mountain in front of the view. In the view, the person is writing the name, and the mountain cuts the name also. Or so that thing, if you are not seeing, I'll even share you images of that. That things also will be doing it. That's done by Photoshop, and we'll be doing it also. Okay.